And now in this lecture we can discuss about the district cooling system designing. So we use Revit MEP as a tool for designing. So now first of all, what is the definition of district cooling system? So a system to combine heating, cooling station and end user through a pipeline network. Belong to public services similar to electricity and water and gas. Now here you in this diagram you see this is the district heating and cooling plant, and from this heating and cooling plant we can supply cool or hot water to a thermal storage tank, and from this thermal storage tank we can supply this water to each and every air handling unit of building that placed in a certain area. So from here you see see this is in this plant we place different type of chillers or boilers. In winter we can use boiler for heating of plant, and in summer we can use chiller for heating of for cooling of water, for cooling water. And with the help of after cooling we supply this water with the help of pump to a thermal storage tank, and from this thermal storage tank we can supply water to air handling unit. So here you see this is a customer station or customer station of each building, or from this customer station with the help of pump they can supply water to the each air handling unit or fan coil unit that is placed in the whole building. Similarly in different buildings we supply water in this way, and from this when we supply this cold water, then they can cool the air that in building. So in this way we can supply heat water cold water to the whole buildings. So cooling source could include waste heat, electric cooling and free cooling. So to satisfy the heating and or cooling demand in order to enhance indoor thermal comfort, so we can supply heating and cooling to enhance or to satisfy the demand of a whole community from district cooling and heating plant. So the purpose of district cooling and heating plant is that it can save a lot of energy, so it is very energy efficient process.